Hello everyone, you are watching Lunch with Chef. Today Rachel Richard, the chef at Artichoke Cafe, will be making lunch in our kitchen. Welcome Rachel. Thanks you, Charles, for lunch. Today Rachel will make three dishes from her restaurant, Artichoke Cafe. Rachel, tell us about the dishes you have chosen for the show. Well, Charlotte, I will be making spinach and artichoke dip, stuff, stuffed artichokes, and chicken with artichokes. Literally, I guess artichokes are your favorite food. Actually, my favorite food is chocolate, but artichoke are my favorite vegetable. Vegetable. So, Rachel, with this, you start with the spinach and artichoke dip. What goes into that besides spinach and artichokes? Of course, what makes your dip so rich and creamy? Well, I use mixture of cream cheese and cheddar cheese. Interesting. Anything else? Anything else? Yes, some chili pepper, either a fresh chili or chili powder. How much chili powder? Oh, not too much chili powder. That a pinch. It sounds delicious. We will be back after the commercials with two more special dishes from Artichoke Cafe.